Hi, sir.
Hi, Ritika. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. And how are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. How's your day today?
My day was good, sir. And how was your day?
Mine was fine as well. Okay. So, did you have a chance to take a look at today's session material?
Yes, sir, I did.
Okay, it's about financial literacy.
And management.
Yes. Did you understand it?
No, sir. It's very. Can you explain?
Yes, of course. Financial literacy means, do you know the meaning of the word literacy?
Literacy? No.
Okay. A person who is literate is a person who is educated. Okay. Okay. So a person who can read and write is literate. A person who cannot read and write is illiterate.
Literate.
Yeah. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. So tell me, who is a person who's literate?
Who can write, read?
Read and write. And what do you call a person who cannot read and write?
Unliterative.
Illiterate.
Illiterate.
Illiterate. Illiterate. Okay. So a person who cannot read and write is called illiterate, and a person who can read and write is literate. Okay. Okay. So financial literacy means a person who has knowledge about finance. A person who understands money.
A person who understands money.
Yes, who understands money and finance is financial literate.
Finance is financial literate.
Yeah. Is that clear, Ritika?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just like a person who is literate can read and write, he has some knowledge, he can read and write. So a person who has knowledge about money and finance is financially literate.
Literate.
Clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, very good. So now do you understand today's topic? What does it mean?
Yes, a little bit.
Okay, very good. Okay. So this is a difficult topic, right? Okay.
Yes.
So I will try to help you understand. Okay. Now let us take an example. Okay. So do you get pocket money at home?
Pocket money at home? Yes, sir, I get sometimes.
Okay, you get sometimes. Okay. So now so pocket money you can either keep or you can spend it on something. Is that right?
Yes, sir, I can spend or keep.
Yeah. Okay, so what do you do now? What do you do with your pocket money? Do you buy something or do you just keep it with yourself?
No, I will give it to my mother.
Pocket money you will give to your mother?
Yes.
But then who gives you the pocket money? Where does it come from?
From my father. He has went out and purchased milk. So they will give money in return. And then when I will come home, I will give it to my mother. Do you save money?
What do you say?
Spend.
Do I save money or do I spend? I do both.
Both.
Yeah.
So it's better for you.
What do you say?
Which is better for you, save or?
Save.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So where does your mother give you pocket money or does your father give you pocket money?
Both give.
Both give. Okay. So now so what do you do with this pocket money? Do you keep it or do you spend it?
I will save it. Why will I spend it?
Okay. If you keep it with yourself, that is called saving. Okay.
Save. I will save it.
Okay, very good. So now when you save it, either you can put it in the bank or you can keep it in your pocket.
Pocket. If I forgot to remove it from my pocket, and it's my friend that did something funny. She was the monitor.
Okay.
She has a badge. She forgot to remove it from her uniform, and her mother was washing. Then she said, "Oh, she lost the badge, and if I mistakenly keep it, I forgot to remove the money. Mother will wash the clothes and the money." So I don't want to do that. Sir,
Okay.
will you put it in your pocket or will you put it in a piggy bank?
I'll put it in a piggy bank. Okay.
I will also do that.
Very good. Okay. So you said just now, if I forgot the money in my pocket.
If I forget.
Exactly. It's forget. If I forget the money in my pocket. Perfect. So you're speaking English very well now. Okay. Now, okay. So you will not keep you put the money in your piggy bank, right?
I will keep it in the piggy bank.
Okay. Will you keep it in the piggy bank or will you keep deposit in your bank account?
No, sir, not in the bank account.
Why not?
I am too small. I don't know how to. And my sister also doesn't save money. If she has money, she will say to father, "Father, can you please buy me chips, lollipop?" She likes eating candy.
Okay. Now, if let's say you have 100 rupees with yourself. Okay. Then if you keep it in your piggy bank, the money will remain as 100 rupees, right? But if you deposit the money in your bank account, then the bank will give you an extra 4 rupees every year. Okay. Just for keeping your money there with them, they will give you an extra 4 rupees every year.
My father always keep the money in the bank.
Very good. So
he never keep it in the piggy bank.
Yes, very good. Because if you keep the money in the bank, then the bank will pay you interest. Okay. So now if you keep the money at home, your 100 rupees will remain 100 rupees. But if you keep the money in the bank, the 100 rupees will become 104 rupees or 105 rupees because the bank is paying you interest.
Paying you interest. Sir, do you like saving in a piggy bank or in the bank?
In the bank.
So you like bank? My father also.
Yes, because the bank is paying money, extra 5 rupees every year just for keeping the money in their account.
Yes.
Is that clear?
Yes, it's clear.
So now what would you prefer to do? Would you prefer to keep the money in your piggy bank or would you prefer to keep it in your bank account?
I think in the bank account.
Yes, that's smart.
I also choose that because I also want to get not 100. I want to earn 105. If they are giving 5 more, so 105 it will be.
Yes. Then what will happen is that you will get 105 rupees. And if you are kept at home, you'll get only 100 rupees. So what is better?
Bank.
Bank, yes. And then next year, the 105 rupees will become 110 rupees. The bank will give you an extra 5 rupees again next year.
But sir,
yes.
When my father doesn't keep in a piggy bank, he need money, he will never ask us. What will he do? He will not my mother or me. he will go to the bank, and the bank's money he's wasting. But near my god there's a piggy bank. It is full almost. Do you have a piggy bank at your home?
No, I don't have a piggy bank at my home. So it is better, as I said, to keep in the bank account. Yeah. Then
Yes,
yeah. Then when you want the money back, you can go to the bank and take out the money.
yes, when you need the money, you can go to the bank and take out the money which you have put in.
Yes, in your account.
In your account.
Yes. So next year, how much will that do? Now you got 100 rupees. At the end of the year, how much money will you have?
Maybe 500 or...
No. You will have 105 or maybe 106.
Oh, I would not like those. They are too less. I would like 500.
No, nobody is going to give you 500.
I know that.
Okay.
They will not give.
So they will give you either 104, maybe 105 or 106, depending on the interest rate. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And then next year, at the end of the year, so let's say in January, you deposit 100 rupees. Then after 12 months in December, it will become 105. Okay.
Oh, 105.
Yeah. And then after 1 year, so December, now after 1 more year, next December, it will become 110. And you get, so you will have earned 10 rupees.
Oh,
and then in 3 years, after 3 years, it will become 115.
Oh, 115.
Yes.
120.
Yeah, exactly. So the longer the time you keep it in the bank, the better it is, right?
Yes, it's better.
Yes. So this is called investment.
Investment.
Yeah. So when you're saving the money for a long period of time, that is called investment.
Okay, investment. Understood, sir. Investment.
Very good. Now, this is a difficult topic, right? So now we'll talk about something easier. All right. Because this topic is really difficult.
Yes, it's for adults.
Exactly. So, okay, now tell me, who's your best friend? Let's talk about your best friend. Who's your best friend?
Aradhya.
Okay, so tell me about her. What do you like about her? What don't you like about her?
About her, I like everything about her. She helped me. We both help each other.
Okay, so one second. You said she helped me, right? So no, she doesn't help. She helps you.
She helps.
She helps, yes.
She helps me.
Yes. Okay.
Do you have any friends, sir?
No, I don't have any friends.
Oh, my father has so many friends.
Okay, very good. Okay, so what do you like about Aradhya?
So, when her birthday came, she gave, what did she give in her birthday?
I don't know.
I forgot that. A pencil.
Pencil?
It was a good pencil, and all the kids in the class use that pencil.
Okay.
And Aradhya go by van because her house is very...
Aradhya what? Aradhya what?
She's a van student. My teacher always say that.
She's a bad student?
Not bad. Whenever when we are going home, so any ma'am will come. I don't know which ma'am will come, and he will say, "Send the van kids."
Send the blankets?
When my teacher say that.
No, I didn't understand, Ritika, what you're saying.
When you don't know, sir, when it's just like a car.
Van.
School van.
School van. Okay, yeah. Okay.
So she always, her house is very far away, and we both can't go to each other's house.
Okay.
Aradhya has many friends, and even I also have friends. She has many friends at school, and we both like to talk to each other, and we like to sit together.
Okay. Okay,
and
very good.
Friend I have.
Okay, and who is that?
Vedika.
Vedika. Vedika.
She doesn't do her homework, but because she doesn't do her homework, her mother is sick. That's why she care for her mother. When she come to school, what would I? She will say to me, "I have not completed the homework. Can you please give the maths notebook, English?" So I will have to give her, because when my homework is not completed, she helped me to do my homework. So we both share our tiffin.
Okay. You
and
both.
when the recess time comes,
yeah,
we always run, and we try to catch each other in the class, but the teachers are there, so we stand in line and talk to each other.
Okay.
So, sir,
yeah.
when you were young, you went to school, so you must remember your friends.
Yes, I remember my friends.
What are their names?
One's name was Rajarshi, one's name was Sunil.
Oh.
One's name was Nikhil.
You have so many friends, you may have forgot their name.
I may have forgotten their name.
I may have forgotten their name.
Yeah, their names.
Names.
Yes.
So, do you remember how many friends do you have? I have 3 or 4.
How many friends you have?
I have 3 or 4. I don't remember.
Who you have? Who are your friends? Aradhya, Vedika, and
Yasmin.
Yasmin. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
Gita.